Cheese.
Look right here. Noah? Alright, hold on. Ready? Go. Noah? Let's go. Open them up.
Let me see.
Go. Go. No, open your present.
Oh yeah.
Go.
Oh.
What is it, Noah? What is it?
Whoa! Cool, I see it.
That's from Nana. Can you look right here and say cheese?
No.
Look right here. Look right here. Ethan, Andrew, please.
Cheese.
What is it?
Oh, let me see that, Mr.
Wait
Trav.
a minute, that's his. Go look at yours.
Wow.
Mama, what's open?
Wow, that's going to be something that Daddy's going to help you with.
Happy. I'm happy. I'll help you. Hey, Mama. Happy.
You want to help it?
That car's very cool.
Wow.
Give me,
You
give
got
me.
2 trucks. And it's a remote control. You do it with a remote.
Here. Whoa.
All right, tell Daddy. Say all.